Hey, I'm Ty, and this is my girlfriend Cam. And for the past 4 months, we've been traveling the western United States in our van, Vanellope. Good morning.
Morning.
Today we've got a few errands we've got to run.
I head back into town.
Yeah.
Grocery shop, dump.
Yeah, do a few things. So is he?
You take this. Oh, shit.
Where is it?
It went up right in here.
Really? Oh, it is. Oh.
See? It's like right in there. We need something hard. You kill it. Grab like a knife.
Okay, keep an eye on it. Make sure it stays there. Is it still there?
Yeah.
Just right above here, right?
Yeah. Ah! It's right here. I got it. Cockroaches or something.
All right, so right now the shots are for
I lost, so.
for what?
Bachi bow.
Walbachi.
Cheers. Pink.
With the cup. Get the bocce ball.
Get the bachi bow.
These balls.
That's not bad.
Yes.
I was almost going off. With that sunset.
Put this in a bowl. Good morning, friends. We ran all of our errands yesterday. We forgot to update you when we got back, but everything went pretty smooth. The only thing we forgot was olive oil, which we can do without. And
We ended up just playing bocce ball, eating some yum.
yeah, they made Jen and Mike made us some stew last night. That was super, super good. And so yeah, we just kicked back, drank a few beers, and listened to music and ate some food.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, pretty prime night.
Yeah.
And so now we've woken up and we've got coffee going. And we're cooking up some potatoes and some waffles. Today's gonna be a dope day, I told Cam.
Yeah, whatever that means.
Mm-hmm.
Dope.
Dope. You're doing great. Just knocking out the dishes.
I always have to do this.
No, I've already done them twice today. Good morning. We slept wonderfully last night, and now we've woken up and made some coffee.
Well, first of all, yesterday, it was not a dope day.
Yeah, yesterday I was not being so dope.
Today is gonna be a dope day.
Mm-hmm. It's just a little bit seasonal.
No. Well, yeah, whatever. Whatever you want it to be.
Mm-hmm.
Today's gonna be a good day.
Because Cam's gonna try to make it a good day.
My days are good every single day. I've never had a bad day.
got breakfast going. Good morning. We got a tofu scramble, a couple tortillas, some coffee. All right, she's done her job. There she goes. Yesterday was a good day. It was a fun day. Cam put handles on all the chairs. We repurposed the, or not handles, pockets.
Our old chairs broke. They ripped. So we bought new chairs. They didn't have pockets. So the old chairs pockets. Put them on new chairs. Yeah, who knows? No plans.
No plans, just chilling.
Baby. It's a baby.
Baby burrito.
So Mike and Jen left, so we took their spot.
We're all by our lonesome again. As fun as it is having people, it's nice being alone.
Yeah. So just be us for the next few days.
Guess what we're eating? Fucking tofu scramble, just like every day.
Every day. What a surprise.
Boom, boom. But shit's bomb. That's why we eat it.
Tofu scramble burritos.
It's good and good for ya. Sauce it up. Gotta have the hot sauce. Drink that coffee. Y'all need to get on this. Liquid aminos.
Oh my god. If you haven't, it'll change your life, I promise.
It's better than soy sauce. It's just about just as good as teriyaki sauce without all the sugar.
This is good.
Yummy.
Yummy.
We're gonna eat some breakfast.
And stay inside all day because
It's windy.
Look.
It looks pretty, but it's not. It's windy. You see them trees going? Yeah.
So we paint.
So we paint, and I sit.
And I sit.
That concludes our time at Joshua Tree. Thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys next week. There's a little extra spices on there. There's the finished product. Damn. What do you want?